Welcome to VIZ Studio, your go-to channel for 3D visualization tutorials, tips, and industry insights. In this video, we will explore what Corona Renderer is, its key features, what is new in the latest version, and how to install it on your system. Corona Renderer is a high-performance photorealistic rendering engine developed by Chaos. It is designed for architectural visualization, product rendering, and interior design. Corona works as a plugin for Autodesk 3ds Max and Maxon Cinema 4D. Unlike GPU-based renderers, Corona is purely CPU-based, which means it works on any modern processor without needing an expensive graphics card. Let us look at the key features that make Corona stand out. Interactive rendering lets you see changes in real time as you adjust materials, lights, and camera settings. LightMix allows you to adjust scene lighting after the render is complete, without re-rendering. The built-in Denoiser can reduce render times by up to 75%. Chaos Cosmos provides an inbuilt library of materials, objects, and HDRIs ready to use in your scene. And Chaos Scatter distributes millions of objects like trees, grass, and rocks across your scene with full control. Now let us look at what is new in Corona 14, the latest release. Corona 14 introduces several exciting features. The AI material generator creates realistic 3D materials from a single reference photo. Gaussian Splats support lets you bring real-world 3D scanned environments into your scene with accurate reflections. The new night sky system simulates moonlight, stars, and the Milky Way based on your location, date, and time. A new fabric material gives you full control over woven fabric details including thread opacity, bump, and displacement. And the AI Upscaler can increase your render resolution by 2x or 4x through Chaos Cloud. Now let us walk through how to install Corona Renderer on your system. Before installing, make sure your system meets these requirements. You need a 64-bit Windows 8, 10, or 11 operating system. Your processor should support the SSE 4.1 instruction set, which includes any CPU released in the last 10 years. For RAM, 32 GB is the minimum, but 64 GB is recommended for complex scenes. And you need 3ds Max 2018 or newer, or Cinema 4D installed on your system. Here are the steps to install Corona Renderer. Step 1. Visit chaos.com/corona/download and download the Universal Installer. Step 2. Run the installer with administrator privileges. Step 3. The installer will detect your 3ds Max or Cinema 4D installation automatically. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Step 5. Launch 3ds Max and set Corona as your active renderer from the Render Setup dialog. Chaos also offers a 30-day free trial with no watermarks and no resolution limits, so you can test it before purchasing. That is everything you need to know to get started with Corona Renderer. If you found this helpful, subscribe to VIZ Studio for more tutorials.